p.m. Sunday evening. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Conway County in central Arkansas, northeastern Pope, POPE County in central Arkansas, eastern Searcy County in north central Arkansas, southwestern Stone County in north central Arkansas, northern Van Buren County in north central Arkansas until 7 p.m. At 6:05 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 5 miles west of Brock Creek Lake, or 21 miles northeast of Russellville, and moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Marshall, Woolham, Watts, Tola, Solo, Smyrna, Rocky Hill, Old Lexington, Mount Evans, IMO, Evening Star, Alberta, Elba, Dabney, Brock Creek Lake, Bohannon, Turkey Creek.